Hi, my name is Anna, and 5 years ago, during my master program from EIT Raw Materials, I had the idea to do my thesis on the fact that graphite was not recycled from lithium-ion batteries. And it is a critical raw material, so I saw this need to change. And I went on, completed my master and PhD research to find a solution to recycle graphite. So, why should we recycle graphite? As you may know, lithium-ion batteries are strategically important for the energy transition, but you may not be aware of the challenges to obtain the raw materials needed to produce these batteries. You may have heard that these batteries need lithium or cobalt, but graphite is also crucial. Compared to cobalt, which can be removed from the battery, graphite cannot yet be substituted, and it represents between 15 to 25% weight of a battery. In order to meet the important battery demand, we will need over 2 million tons of graphite. The problem is that Europe is importing more than 98% of the anode graphite to produce the batteries, resulting in a vulnerable situation for Europe. For this reason, recycling is essential. Unfortunately, at the moment, graphite is not recycled. Graphite is either landfilled or burnt off during recycling. The recyclers will have to recycle more than just the metals. Actually, by recycling graphite, which represents up to 25% of the battery, the recyclers will be able to meet the new battery regulation. Therefore, recycled graphite is expected to become a new product from battery recycling. And with our innovation, we can make it happen. In order to save the graphite, we developed a technology for the black mass, which is a really fine powder mix of metals and graphite. And you can imagine our process a bit like a jacuzzi. So you put your black mass into water, you mix it with some chemicals, and then the graphite attaches to the air bubbles. And when the bubbles rise, we selectively recover the graphite. So, unlike the existing recycling process, with our technology, you obtain two valuable streams instead of one. A product with a high content of metals, and the fact to remove the graphite from it reduces by 1/4 the amount of acid needed to recycle the metals. And a valuable graphite product. In fact, we demonstrated that this recycled graphite can be used to produce new batteries. More and more recycling companies are built in Europe. And through the company Erzlabor, which is a EIT raw material startup, I'm working as a consultant for recycling industries, where we are redesigning the process with our technology in order to recycle the graphite. And now I would like to use this award event to reach the battery manufacturers and especially the EV manufacturers. We need to integrate recycled graphite into the new batteries, and not in 10 years, but we need to start now. Thank you for your attention.